This is camp for the night. There's a little fire pit. Maybe I'll stay here for a couple of nights. Because it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And it is 65 degrees right now. July 24th. Doesn't it feel good, Lila? Yes, it does. She actually might be cold with her haircut. Just have a little bit of setup to do in the car. Get Lila some water. Just watch her as she wanders around. I am leaving this gorgeous place because there are just way too many flies. It is awful. If you have a trailer, something to be inside, then great. And while leaving, there's all these potholes and a little bit of a wash right there. And I got through them just fine last night. But unfortunately, I hit it a little bit too wrong and got sucked in. So I already put a couple little rocks underneath there. And I found a big rock there. It's under there. It's really deep. And then I'm going to put this other rock in front of that one. And hopefully can get out of here. I mean, there are some cars around, but I don't see any of their trucks. So I have recovery boards. I wish I would have brought my long yellow ones. That would have been smart. But here we go. Dude, I honestly didn't think I was gonna get out of that because it was so deep, but I did it. I did it, dude. Why did I doubt myself? The one time I doubt myself, it wasn't too bad. Luckily there were the flat rocks around. That sucker is deep. So there's a restroom up there. We're gonna go use that. Go back to the town. There's no internet usage service. It looks like somebody has a Starlink. So we're out of here. Thank goodness we got out. So proud of myself. Lila's in her tote. She gives us away right before we get in the store. This is the second store we come in. This is Walmart. She's strapped in there. But once we're in, she seems to be okay. I just don't want her meowing and giving us away. How good, Lila. on my way to another campsite in the national forest, I saw these. There are like the most miniature grasshoppers ever. Anyway, holy, what was that? Hello, little animal. And there's another building over there. I hope that was just a rabbit. Yikes. There's an addict up there. I'm not going up there. It's beautiful. Wow, look at that. Just water. Kind of deep. Okay, I'm not gonna walk that way. The snowpack up here is crazy because they have these extension poles on the, I don't know what they are, markers on the side of the road, and they're really tall. So pretty cool. Last night I slept at 9,600 feet elevation, and wow, it's like people have camped here. It's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna do that, but it sure is beautiful. More snow, as we can see. There's a trailer, let's see here, like in here somewhere, if you can see it. Okay, that was fun. We're gonna continue on. I would like to find a place sooner than later because the road is really, really washboard. And I'm to the point where I'm going to deflate my tires. Actually. This didn't say like private property or anything, so yeah, we're gonna find a place to be for the evening. Hi, Lila. You can come out, Luz. She's a pretty girl. This is absolutely amazing. I have cell phone service. It is 71 degrees right now. I don't think it's even 5 o'clock yet. I'm over 10,000 feet here at this location. The flies don't seem to be as prevalent. There's one kind of harassing me. But there's not many people around. Ooh. Okay, we are at the top tippity two of the mountain, and that is some thunder. So, hi Lila! Hi sweet KK! This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I might stay here a couple nights. This one is awesome. What I've noticed is there are a lot of trailers up here that people come and leave here to hold their camping spot, but there are also some sheep wagon trailer things. I don't know what they're called. My dad actually made one before, but wow, this is amazing. I'm not worried about Lila. I mean, I can see pretty well up here. Hi, Lila. But yikes, I need to go in the car. But I think that there's a sheep herder wagon over here. I am going to fly my drone probably tomorrow. Need to look at the weather. I am in love with this national forest. I am in the Manti LaSalle National Forest. It is incredible. It's not really very populated. There are not a lot of forest service roads to go off on. And after I left that little cabin thing, it's like it talked about watershed areas. So I think back in the day, those cabins were used to monitor the watershed, whatever that means. So I just kind of wound my way up a different route than my GPS was going to take me, and I found all of this. And I love it. Oh, this is wonderful. I really needed this. That is just what I need to do. I just need to get out. This is incredibly beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go inside now. So get my car situated and hunker down probably for, I don't know, however long this thunder is going to be here, but we don't want to mess around at 10,000 plus elevation. Hi, Lila. It's my baby. Hi, pretty girl. Are you a pretty girl? Are you going to come out? You can come out. We'll get her some water. It is, 9 o'clock. It's nice and light outside. And it is getting to be that time to turn in for the day. I put out my awning because I think I'll be here 2 nights. It's just such a beautiful area, and I have internet. So I wanted to finish this video out with that beautiful sunset, and I made some changes to my vehicle. I'll do a whole video on those, but these are some window coverings I made, and I will not have a tutorial on how I made them because if I could buy custom window coverings like this, I would. It's a lot of work. But they're pretty nice. I mean, they look like they might be professionally done, but they're not. So, here's this side. Hi, Miss Lila. Are you so sweet? You're so beautiful. Nice colors. Lila has her summer cut, even though it is actually reading 57 degrees currently. It is cold, and there is a reason that the snow is still on the mountains. Tomorrow, I am going to see about flying my drone around this beautiful area. And yeah, we'll go from there. So this video is most likely a cluster of the day's events, but that's just how it goes. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you'll join me for the next video. Good night.